The bottom line of the food and beverage industry is getting the products to the customers on time. Staying on top of the inventory levels, meeting demand, and driving sales are key to business success. A leading F&B company has its presence in multiple organized retail channels across Colombia. However, their stores lacked a common methodology for sell-out forecasting. Also, their sell-in order quantity estimation process did not account for any short-term demand sensing components. Result? Their stores were either understocked, generating poor customer experience, or overstocked with products expiring on the shelves. Also, they lacked a scalable method to identify the gap between what products the retailer has and the other products that the company had to offer. So how do they maintain the right level of stocks across their stores and drive profitability? To address this, Sigmoid developed an ML-based recommendation engine for inventory management and recommended other products that are not stocked by the retailer. We solved this by building a master pipeline on SAP and CEN portals for data extraction, pre-processing, and feature extraction. We then identified white spaces and the current portfolio by generating a list of active products from the POS data. Leveraging the power of this data and ML techniques, we built two efficient systems: a hybrid recommendation model for every store to suggest new products and a sellout volume forecasting model to estimate optimal product quantity. Multiple forecasting models for each store with over 70,000 product combinations, tuned to achieve the best possible MAPE. Also, Sigmoid devised a Power BI consumption dashboard to visualize the weekly updates in a 360-degree view. The recommendation engine was developed on Azure environment with best-in-class ML open-source libraries. Our solution delivered weekly insights to sales managers on what product to sell, how much to sell, and where to sell. The on-field sales representatives focused their efforts on filling up white spaces and successfully standardized the ordering policy across the retail accounts while eliminating manual efforts. Our solution proved to be a powerful tool for the customer's key account managers to negotiate medium to long-term stock volumes with their retail partners. Reach us at marketing@sigmoid.com for powering your sales strategy by creating intelligent recommendation engines and forecasting solutions.